Hey, this is Edward here at Fastlane on Breckenridge. Wanted to show you the process when you're coming here to drop off your vehicle and to meet the team. So outside here in the front is where you're going to see you can pull up and park your vehicles. And when you're picking up, you're going to park over here to the left. As you drop off, if you like to do before work or after work drop off when we're not here, we do have a drop box to fill out envelopes. You can fill those out right here. And then what we do is you're going to take that and drop them in our after hours key drop. That way you can do it after hours and what works best for you. So let's go meet the team. Hey everybody, as you make your way into the front here with the service advisors, you're going to see we have a very beautiful front lobby. You're going to meet our team members. This is Jonathan. This is our general manager here. And this is Nathan Booker. And then we've got Gary Williams over there. That's who you're going to see at the front counter. And we also have Crystal Miller. She's not up here right now. But they're going to be here to work with you. We're a customer-centric business, and we are all about the customers. So when you come in, there are other benefits we have for you. We have drinks. We have snacks. We've got a beautiful waiting area. And we've got shuttle service to be able to get you back and forth to work. We want to make this about you and as seamless and quick and easy as possible for you to get your car repaired as quick as possible.